Hello everyone, Timothy from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have the Anderic VUR6 remote control. That is a 100% direct replacement for the Vizio VUR6 that is no longer available. Now you can also replace this remote control from any other Vizio remotes as well. Save some money, have a cheaper alternative. It also offers a 1-year replacement warranty also. Now you can look below this video and those remote model numbers will be listed below. Now, if you would like to purchase these from ReplacementRemotes.com, give us a call at 336-924-8787. Friendly staff representatives will be glad to help you. Or to order online, click the link below, hit the green Buy It Now button, and you can purchase the brand new Anderic VUR6 replacement remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.